Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a quick minute, but I bought something here. I just bought this skid steer. It's a Mustang 940E. It's about a 5,500 pound skid steer. I'm not really sure the year on it, but it has a Yanmar diesel in it. It's got some decent tires, it's got a bucket, and it runs and operates, so not a bad deal. Got a little project for it today. This cutting edge, as you can see on the bucket, is just gone. Pretty much non-existent, so I want to put a new cutting edge on it. I bought this cutting edge off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It's a little bit bigger than I wanted it to be, but this was the only one that had pre-drilled holes. So it's 5/8 inch thick. It's got slotted holes for it. I went to the Caterpillar dealer and bought some bolts. So you can see what those look like. You can see they say Cat. And those just go down in there like that. And then you can put a nut on the other side. So got some tools ready. Let's fire this thing up, make sure she runs. And this is for preheating. You hold this button down right here. It's about 40 degrees out, so it's not too bad. But it's a pretty clean machine. I mean, you typically want to look inside down in here for rust and stuff, and it really doesn't have any. So it's very clean in that sense. You know, not much rust down there, and it has not been repainted. Alright, so here's the cutting edge. As you can see, it's pretty much non-existent. It does not stick off the bucket very much. So let me get some of this ice and snow off of here, and I guess we'll start lining that cutting edge up. So. Alright, I got it somewhat lined up. As you can see, it's a little bit longer, so I'm going to slide it to one of the two sides, and then we'll start cutting it to length. Alright, so I got the machine moved over here. You guys can see that this plate obviously sticks out a little bit. So I just got my grinder out. Started cutting the bottom side here. Just gonna cut it so it's squared up on the blade. So I'll keep filming this. So I got the bucket off the machine. I flipped it up like this. I'm trying to get these holes done in the back here. So I was able to get that one drilled and that one. I have 2 left and they're kicking my butt. But you know, here's how it goes. Bolt just goes in like that. You know, put a washer on and a nut. And I'm gonna use some of this real quick, this anti-seize, just in case, you know, if I ever have to flip this over. I doubt it, but you know, we'll just put that on there. So let me set the camera up. Alright, just finished cutting these 2 holes. These were a freaking pain, honestly. They were really tough. So you can see there's the cat logo on all of them. Pretty cool. Looks pretty good. Should have a lot of wear. I mean, this cutting edge will last this bucket. I'll go ahead and pop these bolts in. Alright, I'm gonna tip this thing over with the machine. Alright guys, there we have it. Cutting edge is on. Looks really good. I just tested it out a bit, just grading some of this gravel out, and I think that was a success. So I'll be posting more videos of this machine in the near future. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.